So how often should we be posting on our Facebook business page? As you can see me scrolling through my page now. Now, going back a few years ago, hearing numbers like once a day, 3 times a day, 5 times a day was quite common. But times have changed now, so we need to be changing with the times, and Facebook and posting on your Facebook page is very much at the forefront. You see, the world of social media has now got busier than ever with video content, and Instagram is now more popular than ever. YouTube videos are just booming, and one of the newer players, TikTok, have now entered the market and absolutely are capturing eyeballs everywhere. So that means our attention and our eyeballs have been drawn in more directions, more so than ever before. So in regard to now posting on Facebook, quality beats quantity more so than ever before. And we should have a plan in place when posting on our Facebook business page as well. Here's a very good image that I found from CoSchedule. When posting, we're going to be looking for either brand awareness to generate leads for our business, customer service, or drive traffic to your website, or actually drive traffic and make sales. So to give you sort of a number and an idea how often we should be posting, 3 good posts a week now very much beat 6 average posts. So instead of trying to post maybe every day for a lot of people on their Facebook business page, some strategy, some planning, and trying to really, stop the scroll with eye-catching image and entertaining and informative content. Now, there'll always be some exceptions to that rule. This happens to be a Facebook page for one of the television news stations here in Australia. Being a television news station, they're posting literally every hour as I scroll through their news feed. But for the vast majority of us here posting on our own Facebook page, 3 good weekly posts are going to beat 6 average posts. And when posting on our Facebook page, there are actually a whole range of style of posts we should be looking to be including as well. Image posts, native videos, stories, reels, or even going live. A direct buy now post. That's right. Post where people can click here to buy now. You can share a quote, share some thoughts, ask a questions, even posting YouTube videos and TikTok videos. All of them should be in the mix of what we're actually posting on our Facebook page. So maybe start aiming for 3 posts a week, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Or here's another slide with some tips on the style of posts that you could be posting to your page throughout the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all various types of posts that are going to, increase the engagement and entertainment factor on your page. And planning out in advance, maybe a whole year's worth or quarterly or even months in advance with New Year's Day posts, back to school, end of summer, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, school holiday times, mid-year sales, are you okay? National public holiday, sporting events, football finals, Olympics and World Cup, Father's Day, springtime, daylight saving, Halloween, online shopping, Christmas, that type of thing. The ideas are endless when we start planning and strategizing it. Because one of the keys to your success will be actually having that plan. So you're not scratching your head every Monday morning thinking, what am I going to be posting this week? So in summary, maybe start aiming for 3 good posts every week on your Facebook business page. For some of you, you might even do it daily as well. If you're a cafe or if you're a fast moving business where things are, and content is just abounding. But for the vast majority, use some of those tips and styles of posting that I mentioned in this video. Go to the comments below though. Let me know how often you are posting. Let me know the success that you're having. Is there a style of post that is more successful for you? And if you struggle to post on your Facebook page, let me know why, because I would love to hear your feedback. While you're there and watching this video, don't forget to like and follow me on my Facebook page, or if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.